Hi, it's Jeff from Corona Cigar. Today we're doing a video review on the Corona 20th Anniversary Nicaraguan FSG. Normally we do those reviews at the store or in my office, but today we're coming to you directly from the farm. So, this is a brand new release, Florida Sun Grown tobacco in the filler. There's 3 wrapper varieties on this. There's a Maduro, there's a natural, there's the Connecticut. So today we're going to review the Connecticut with Angel, the general manager of Corona Cigar. And Angel's got a great palate, and we'll tell you about this cigar. It's got a beautiful, light Connecticut shade wrapper from Ecuador. Florida Sun Grown in the filler. We use about a percentage, 30% FSG in the middle of the cigar in the filler. And then it's blended with the Aganorsa, Corojo, and Criollo tobaccos. Okay, so this cigar is blended with Florida Sun Grown Corojo 99 tobacco. The seeds for this tobacco came from Aganorsa, so that's why these cigars are so special, the ones that are made at Casa Fernandez in Aganorsa, because the tobaccos that we have right here on the table, the ones grown on our farm, the seeds are the exact same seeds that are grown on Aganorsa's farm in Nicaragua. So essentially, it's brothers and sisters, but basically on 2 different continents that are grown side by side, blended in a cigar, and really brings the different tobaccos together. So it's very interesting.
First thing you get on the rector oil, you get the spices. But real that pepper, and then with the wrapper itself, you get a little bit of that cream with it. So it really meshes very well together.
On strength, this cigar is going to come into you about a medium strength. Even though it's got the Connecticut shade type of wrapper, it's definitely a medium strength Connecticut wrap cigar. But the Corona 20th Anniversary, we've kept the prices very, very competitive on these. Our tobacco is some of the most expensive tobacco in the world. It's very expensive to grow tobacco in Florida, but we've made these very affordable. So every box that you get has a certificate of origin. We get the tobacco inspected by the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Florida Department of Agriculture, and then before that, tobacco is exported to Nicaragua. So you'll see that certificate of origin inside every box of Corona 20th Anniversary cigars that has the FSG tobacco in it. So if you're looking for a great, different style cigar with a unique tobacco blend, you're not going to get this in any other cigar. This blend is 100% unique. Corona 20th Anniversary with the Florida Sun Grown filler.